In this Vivo tutorial, I'm going to show you how to get your learners interacting with your course with a simple interaction. Going back to the page with 3 images, you can see I've now added some text about each image. Rather than having all this text on screen when the learner arrives, I'm going to allow them to interact with the images in order to view the information about them. The way to do this is to simply click on the image and then come over to the Interactions tab here. Click Add Interaction, and then you select the user trigger, which is what the learner needs to do to make the text appear. In this case, I want the text to appear when the user hovers over the image, and I want that to show objects. So I'm going to choose Show or Hide Objects here. As you can see, there are loads of different interaction types that you could try out using this feature. You then need to select the object you want to show when the user hovers over the image. The drop-down will give you the option to select any of the objects on the page. So out of these, we just want to show text box 1. You can then add another interaction to the same object to make the information disappear when the learner hovers away from the image. So select the mouse hovered out trigger, and you don't want to show any objects, but you want to now hide text box 1. Lastly, I don't want the text box to show when the learner first gets to the page, so I'll just click the Edit button and deselect the checkbox called Object is Visible. This will mean it's invisible when the learner arrives. I'll do the same for the other 2 text boxes, as I've already set up the interactions for these. Then you can check that your course works by selecting Enable Interactions at the top here. This is a great feature that allows you to come out of edit mode while you test your interactions without you having to publish the page. So there you have it, a really simple interaction. There are lots of ways you can use this particular interaction. For example, you can have an interactive timeline or maybe tabs to break up text-heavy courses. So have a play with this one and the other interactions on the list and see what works best for your course. I'll see you in the next tutorial where I'll continue on the interaction theme by showing you how to add quiz questions and drag and drop exercises to your course.